Right, we're here to cook some pancakes today for what is known as Pancake Day, aka Shrove Tuesday. Part of that is using up all your perishables, giving up all the stuff that you really like. Batter-based meal covered in lemon and sugar. Well, some people start with the recipe, but we're not going to start with the recipe. First things first, take off all your jewellery. You can thank me later. Get a few eggs into the mix here. Crack them on the side of the bowl, straight in there. They're going in the sink. Rinse that out later. You'll end up spending Lent bent double over a porcelain bowl. So I'm going to use 3 eggs, but let's not get greedy. Get yourself a fork, take your pick, any fork. Mix those up for a minute. It's a bit weird really to think that these might have been chickens. We're going to use a coffee percolator for a number of reasons. A, dead easy to stir in without shit flying out all over the place. B, get that nice coffee aftertaste. It's good to pour with. So we're going to get the eggs in there. Get some milk involved. Full fat milk, no messing around. I mean, I've got a pint here. I'll probably use stick the whole pint in for a penny. Then some plain flour. Don't get self-raising, or you do. Get that flour all up in there. Get mixing. Don't worry about any lumps. I mean, if it's got lumps in it, you know, it's a nice bit of extra texture in the final pancake, and at no extra cost. Little brim on the edges there where it's picked up the coffee, but again, at no extra cost. Right, let's get some heat on the go. Gone. Get a decent pan. This pan's like 100 years old. It's even got a metal handle, so a bit of oil in there. Why do they make it a metal handle? Absolutely no need for this to have a metal handle. Thicker than planned. Alright, get that mixture in the pan. That is what we call quality batter. Fill the edges with the excess. It's a bit more like porridge than a pancake. It really needs to cook a bit more before even looking at flipping it. Otherwise it's going to be all over the kitchen. Probably forever. I think I put a bit too much mixture in this tiny little pan. It's not shaping up to be a textbook pancake, but you really can't beat a nice plain simple sugar and lemon. Got the lemon on hand. And it's just about solid enough that we can attempt the flip. Now, don't attempt the flip if you're not prepared to fail. I, on the other hand, golden brown, or in other words, a bit burnt. Ingredients very simple: oil, mixture, flour, lemon, sugar, milk, honey, antibacterial liquid soap, summer fruit squash, and that's it. Flip it again to make sure. Right, that's it. Let's dish that up.